Packing for a 16-day international trip can be daunting. Let me share with you my recommendations on how you can be organized, safe, and have everything you need. Everyone has either a navy or a black suitcase. So one of the tips I have is put something colorful on there. I actually have green electrical tape. I have a luggage tag that I got when I went on a Viking cruise. Very colorful, and on here my initials, my city, and I have my cell phone number because you don't want to put too much information on there. On the side, I also have that green electrical tape because you want to make sure that you can find your luggage. You also have another luggage tag here. This isn't expandable. Right now it is not expanded at all. My next tip is to make sure you weigh your luggage before you get to the airport. This is very easy to use. It can be pounds or it could be in kilograms. If you're going to Europe, you're probably going to want to look at kilograms. Another tip, bring a second bag. So in the front part of the bag, I actually have a duffel bag. And this duffel bag can be used for when I come back. My luggage is over 50 pounds, or it can't fit in my suitcase. I have another way to get things back. Large Ziploc bag, a couple of them. And I have an extra vacuum packed large clothing bag. Okay, so here's the suitcase. It's a Briggs Riley. I have this just to kind of keep everything kind of contained. When I come back, I know this is going to be expanded. This is expanded. So here it is, expanded on both sides. Back. You see this now is expanded. It really got a lot larger. This here, that is how high it is. Let's go ahead, push it down. It's down to the same height as this. So let's look and see what I have packed and some of the tips I have for you when you're packing your suitcase. Now we're going to be gone for 16 days. But we don't pack for 16 days. We go ahead and only pack for 6 days or so because we know we're going to do laundry. And we've already found that there is a laundry service that our hotel can send our laundry to, and we'll get it back within 24 hours. So that's perfect. Also, one of the things I would suggest is bring a bag that you can basically bring with you when you go shopping or during your day trips. And if you buy something, you can use this to hold it. I also like to bring these little hooks so that I can hook it to my purse or whatever it is I have. On this one, you notice I have Mickey Mouse, but what this is you can put this over like a water bottle so you don't have to hold it. Just another convenience. I have 2 pair of tennis shoes. I also bring a little bag that has Band-Aids and tissues. There is some blister medicine. There's Aleve, Tylenol. So those types of things that you might need if you get sick or if you hurt yourself. Another thing I do is this is my bag with all of my toiletries. In here, I have scissors, I have some tweezers, hair clip, I have travel size containers of some lotion, some hair products. I also bring Q-tips. So all of these things are things that travel with me, and I keep all of this in here, and when I come home, I refill things and put them right back in. So the next time that I travel, it's ready. And I don't have to worry about, did I bring this, did I bring that, because I leave it all in this bag when I come back. So the next thing you'll see in here is shirts. So this is a bunch of shirts in here. that I have packed in a vacuum packed compression bag. So you get a lot in there, along with, this is nightgowns, underwear, a bra or two. This is a towel for your hair to dry. All of these things fit in the suitcase with plenty of room to spare. Also have in here my converter, along with a universal so that I can plug things in. This one right here. It's very easy to use this. Press on this button here, and when you do that, you can push that out. Do it back, do the same thing, and then we also have this to put in the wall, and I have this as my extension cord, which will take a couple of USBs, actually 3, a USB-C, and then the regular. I have a dress, I have a couple of tops, and I actually have some jeans. So all of those items are in the hanging area, and I use a velvet hanger. The slim hanger makes it very simple for you to just take it out of the suitcase and hang it in the closet at the hotel room. I also bring a little sewing kit. You never know when something rips or you need that safety pin. I also try to make sure that I have everything that's heavier is at the bottom of the suitcase, because when you stand it up, everything falls to the bottom, especially when your suitcase is not completely full. You just put everything back in. You close everything up. I have plenty of room to put additional items that I might purchase in here. Another item that I have in here is behind this little thing here. You see it? That is an AirTag. I have an AirTag that I just slide in here so that it keeps track of my luggage. I hope this helped you with packing your checked luggage for your next trip. Do you have any other travel tips that you use when you travel? Comment below, and it may be something that I will want to include on my next trip. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Safe travels!